product with the link in the description. LOCKLY Fingerprint Biometric Smart Deadbolt Door Lock. Advanced 3D Fingerprint LOCKLY Smart Lock can recognize your fingerprint in just 0.5 seconds and unlock your door in 1 second. It's faster than fumbling for your keys. The most secured 5-in-1 keyless entry smart door lock. Fingerprint plus passcode plus smartphone plus mechanical key plus Sherry key. Peek-proof digital keypad. Patented PIN Genie technology makes it nearly impossible to guess your personal access code, even if someone is watching, when entering your PIN number by always shuffling number locations on the secure, backlit keypad. Real-time access logs stores all access history so you can review who is coming and going anytime from your mobile phone. Great for keeping track of family members as they arrive home. Grant one-time use or specific time duration access by issuing codes or digital e-keys remotely via your mobile phone. Guests can access using their mobile phone, even without an internet or cellular connection. Easy DIY installation. Replaces existing deadbolt with basic household tools in about 15 minutes. Fits both left and right swinging standard doors, 1 3/8 to 2 inches thick. Requires 2 1/8 inch face bore hole. Get a great offer on this product with the link in the description.